Monday, January 29th. Did you watch football yesterday? Ooh, I certainly watched football yesterday, and I got knitting done as well. Just all that solid knitting time. It was great. I was excited about the first game. I was pulling for Detroit for the second game, and they put up a good fight, so I think that was good. But anyway, it'll be an exciting Super Bowl. And Taylor will still be around, right? It's all the talk and the rave, so there you go. Let me remind you about Ray's new knit-along starting next week. It is the Stockholm Slipover V-neck. Oh, reflections. Let me get that out so you can see it without the reflections. It's a very simple V-neck sweater. It is by Petite Knits. It is calling for a worsted weight, so it says you can run 2 yarns together, 2 fingerings. I'm not sure 2 fingerings makes a worsted weight, but maybe you could run a mohair and a DK. Anyway, I have a couple suggestions right here, but we have lots of other choices, and cottons. I didn't bring any cottons. So a great choice would be this Ultra Alpaca Natural from Barocco, which is gorgeous. I have 3 colors. It's $19 a skein, and it is 219 yards. So I have these 3 gorgeous natural colors. So that would be a beautiful neutral, would go with anything, perfect for that vest. Also, there is Cozy Alpaca from Ella Rae, and I have enough yarn in these 3 colors to do it. This is a alpaca and acrylic blend, 178 yards. The price is $17.50. So again, this is super squishy, soft, and delicious. There's also, we have coastal cotton, which is a worsted weight. You could double strand something else. We have lots of choices. So if you're tempted, come on in. We'll get you all set up for Ray's Knit Along Stockholm Slipover V-neck. All right. I already talked about football for the weekend. Got cool again, thank goodness. I think it's still winter and we need to sell some cozy yarn. So anyway, you have 2 more days, tomorrow and Wednesday, to bring in your red envelope that you might have gotten in December. So don't forget, as soon as January is over, it's over. So if you have a red envelope to turn in, bring it in the next 2 days, okay? I think that's all I have for tonight, short and sweet. But I'll see you tomorrow.